What's good, everybody? DRelamarr back at it with another one. If this is your first time coming to the channel, thank you, but go ahead, smash the like, hit the subscribe as usual. This engine bay is dirty. Before we get into that, check out the new SCAR gear, man. What y'all think, man? That boy SCAR, man, he coming up, you know. Got a little sticker, man. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about the new SCAR sticker and the SCAR shirt. Just gonna let it warm up a little bit. Not gonna let it get hot. Just gonna let it get a little bit of heat. I think it'll help me get some of this dirt out of here. Gonna put a little heat in it, and then we're gonna start taking things off. I'm gonna take the intake off. I'm gonna take the battery out, and that should be all that I have to move. Honestly, I just need to move the top part of the intake because I just need to get to the valve cover right there. I do need to get down under here, so maybe I will move all this out the way. All under there, putty everywhere. Look at that. While I'm at it, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I believe the fuel pump is probably on the way out. If you listen carefully, you can hear it ringing. Camera's picking that up. It's on the way out, but I already got a fuel pump ordered, so no biggie. Now putting it in is a whole different situation, but yeah, I guess we would deal with that when it's time. All right, got the intake out. Now we can see to the throttle body and all this area. How much dirt is on the fuel rails all back here. Ugh. So for just a brush down, I haven't cleaned it yet, but be surprised with just a little brush off will do. But we still got a long way to go. Let's get that soap and water going. So when I do this engine bay, I'm just pretty much just gonna clean up these covers, clean up all the stuff on the surface, and make it look nice. I'm not removing the covers, even though they just pretty much come off. I'm missing all the pins. Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna make it look like nice when you pop the hood. I ain't gonna do like I'm doing this one. So far, I cleaned this top part. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but it looks a lot better to me. It will definitely when I put the final touches on it, but it's a lot cleaner. So I went up and I did this side piece. As you see, that's cleaner. So I cleaned the top of this box. Now I'm working my way around. I'm gonna do this side of the car first. Then I'm gonna come around and I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little time lapse so you don't have to sit there and watch me do this in slow motion. So let's get to it.
Funhouse active, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the fast lit. Yeah, hands up in the air that they gun me down. I keep it on it, they crunching the numbers, I'm getting out. Young nigga got a fetish for success. If I ain't next, and I just leave impression. Next to rain, on they window pane, puffin' plain Jane. Let them second guess me, wanna cop the Porsche with the Porsche.
Alright, got it about as clean as I can get it, and as you see, it's better. You can see the fuel rails now. You can see the top of the intake manifold. Everything's kind of wiped off. I didn't go perfect. I didn't get up in here because I didn't want to get anything on the belts. So I'm going to leave that part alone. But the rest of it, time to clean it up and shine it up now. So this is just with soap and water. Let's put the finishing touches on it. Alright, just finished up the stang. I ain't going to show y'all that, but we're going to go ahead and knock this out because that's all I'm going to do. All we doing with this one is just shining up these plastic panels. I'm not going into detail. All said and done, I could have did better. Still dirty up there, but from back here it looks great. I mean, look at the difference. Look how that engine is popping. I'm gonna do another clip in the morning where there's a lot of sunlight, bring it out in the sun, but way better. But I'm gonna bring it in the sunlight tomorrow so you guys can get a clear shot, because it's kind of dark out here and this light ain't really doing it justice.
Fun house active, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm.